What if I told you there's a place where you can live comfortably on just a fraction of your income, surrounded by breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and some of the friendliest people you'll ever meet? Welcome to Vietnam, a hidden gem for expats and retirees looking to enjoy life on a budget. Let's dive in and explore why Vietnam could be your perfect destination for a fresh start or a peaceful retirement. In this video, we'll explore why Vietnam is a dream destination for expats and retirees looking to enjoy an affordable and fulfilling lifestyle. From low-cost living to incredible cultural experiences, we'll cover everything you need to know to make Vietnam your next home. Let's dive in. In a big city, housing options cater to all budgets. If luxury is your goal, high-end apartments with modern amenities like pools, gyms, and stunning views can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 per month. For those on a budget, simple yet comfortable studios or one-bedroom apartments are available for just $300 to $500 per month, offering an affordable way to live in the heart of the action. Utilities and internet in Vietnam are surprisingly affordable. Monthly utility costs, including electricity, water, and gas, typically range from $50 to $100, depending on your usage. Air conditioning being the main factor for higher bills. Internet is fast, reliable, and costs only about $10 to $15 per month, making it perfect for work or streaming. Combined, these expenses are a fraction of what you'd pay in many other countries. In a smaller city, housing is much more affordable than in the larger urban centers. For a modest apartment, you can expect to pay between $200 and $400 per month, depending on the location and size. These properties may not offer the luxury amenities found in bigger cities, but they still provide comfortable and functional living spaces, perfect for those looking to live on a budget. Whether you're renting a simple studio or a one-bedroom apartment, smaller towns offer great value for money. When it comes to transportation in Vietnam, most expats and locals opt for motorbikes due to their affordability and convenience, especially in busy cities where traffic can be intense. Motorbike rentals typically cost around $50 to $100 per month, while purchasing a second-hand motorbike can range from $300 to $700, depending on the model and condition. Cars are less common and can be more expensive to own and maintain. If you decide to buy a car, expect to pay anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 for a used vehicle. Monthly maintenance and fuel costs will also add up, with gas costing around $1 per liter. Public transportation, such as buses, is an affordable option and widely available in larger cities. A bus ride typically costs between 25 cents and 50 cents. However, buses can be crowded and schedules are less flexible compared to personal transportation. For short distances, or for those who prefer not to deal with traffic, motorbikes or bicycles are often the go-to choice. At local markets, you'll typically find the freshest produce at much lower prices. Fruits and vegetables, for example, might cost around 50 cents to $1 per kilogram in a market, and the prices for meats like chicken or pork are similarly low, often around $3 to $4 per kilogram. The produce is often sourced directly from local farms, which keeps the prices affordable. However, the selection may be more limited and the quality can vary depending on the vendor. On the other hand, supermarkets offer a wider range of packaged goods, including imported products. Fresh vegetables and fruits can be slightly more expensive in supermarkets, usually ranging from $1 to $2 per kilogram, due to the added cost of transportation and storage. Meats and other fresh items can also cost a little more, with chicken and pork averaging $4 to $5 per kilogram. Supermarkets are great for finding more convenience, like prepackaged foods, snacks, and branded items, but they do tend to be pricier for everyday essentials compared to the local market. In general, if you're looking for the best prices and don't mind haggling or dealing with crowds, local markets are the way to go. Supermarkets offer more convenience and variety, but they come at a higher cost. For both Americans and Europeans, getting a visa for Vietnam is straightforward. You can apply for a 30-day tourist visa online or through the embassy, or use the e-visa option available for many countries. For longer stays, you can apply for a business visa, which can be extended or arranged through an employer. Alternatively, some Europeans can stay visa-free for up to 15 days. If you need to stay even longer, you can leave and re-enter the country or apply for visa extensions while in Vietnam. When searching housing, for example, in Ho Chi Minh City, a great way to start is by joining local Facebook groups dedicated to expats and housing, such as Expats in Ho Chi Minh City or Housing in Ho Chi Minh City. These groups often feature listings from locals and other expats, giving you a variety of options. Websites like Badongson, Chotot, and Din Gia also offer a range of apartment listings, from budget-friendly to high-end rentals. You can also explore Airbnb for short-term stays that could lead to long-term rental opportunities. For transportation, using ride-hailing apps like Grab or Gojek is a popular and convenient choice in Ho Chi Minh City. With these apps, you can easily book motorbike rides or cars at fixed prices, avoiding the need to negotiate fares. Grab also offers food delivery and grocery shopping services, which can make daily life more convenient. In Vietnam, locals are generally very welcoming and friendly toward foreigners. The culture places a strong emphasis on respect and politeness, so it's common to be met with warm smiles and helpful attitudes. People are often eager to assist you, especially if you show an interest in their language or customs. In smaller towns, the community tends to be even more tight-knit, with locals readily offering help or inviting you to experience their way of life. In larger cities, the pace is faster, but the hospitality remains strong, and you'll find that people are happy to interact once they get to know you. Overall, the friendly nature of the Vietnamese people makes it a great destination for expats. Living in Vietnam as an expat can differ depending on whether you're in a large city or a smaller town, but some tips are universally useful. In larger cities like Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi, you'll find more expat communities, modern amenities, and a bustling atmosphere. While many people speak some English in these cities, it's still beneficial to learn the basics of Vietnamese. This will help you navigate daily life, build relationships with locals, and show respect for the culture. Even simple phrases like hello, thank you, and goodbye will make a big difference. In smaller towns, the pace of life is slower, and the community is often more tight-knit. While there may be fewer expats and English speakers, you'll find that locals are generally more eager to help and engage with foreigners. Learning Vietnamese here can help you integrate more easily and make everyday activities like shopping or ordering food smoother. In both settings, taking the time to understand the language and culture will enhance your experience and help you feel more at home. Vietnam is generally a safe place for expats, with low levels of violent crime. In both larger cities like Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi, and in smaller towns, petty crimes like pickpocketing or minor scams can happen, especially in crowded areas or around tourist spots. It's a good idea to stay alert, keep your belongings secure, and avoid showing valuables in public. Traffic can be hectic, so road safety is important. Be cautious when crossing streets, as motorbikes can weave through traffic unpredictably. Using ride-hailing apps like Grab is a safer alternative to taxis, as it provides a fixed fare and helps you avoid haggling. If you're considering living in Vietnam, here are 3 cities to consider. Hanoi, the capital, offers a mix of tradition and modernity, with beautiful lakes, historic sites, and a slower pace of life. It's a good option for those looking for culture, affordability, and a relaxed atmosphere. Da Nang, a smaller city on the coast, combines stunning beaches with a growing expat scene and lower living costs. It's perfect for those who want a more laid-back lifestyle with access to outdoor activities. Living in Vietnam offers options for every budget. For a small budget, you can expect to spend around $650 monthly, including shared housing, basic groceries, utilities, and occasional entertainment. A medium budget of $1,200 allows for a private one-bedroom apartment, more dining out, and regular leisure activities. With a large budget at $2,400, you can enjoy luxury housing, fine dining, and frequent entertainment. Overall, Vietnam provides excellent value for money, with affordable living costs and plenty of options to suit your lifestyle. In summary, Vietnam offers an incredible mix of affordability, culture, and opportunities for expats and retirees. Whether you're living on a small budget or looking to enjoy a more luxurious lifestyle, Vietnam has something for everyone. From affordable housing and delicious food to friendly locals and rich experiences. It's a country that welcomes foreigners and makes it easy to enjoy a high quality of life without overspending. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content about living abroad and exploring affordable destinations. Let me know your thoughts or any questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.